2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This is an LT, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, very well maintained and taken care of. Roof rack up on top, aluminum wheels, gold mist metallic in color, very sharp, very clean, a few dents or scratches, rear backup camera. This is a front wheel drive model, 4-cylinder engine. Rated at over 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle has 81,000 miles, has factory powertrain warranty through Chevrolet until April of next year, or 100,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, dark cloth interior, power driver's seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, which means you can go up and down as well as in and out. Cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls with hands-free Bluetooth. So you can make and receive phone calls right from the steering wheel. Get your backup camera that loads up here. CD player with AM/FM stereo system, heat and air conditioning. Automatic transmission, does have traction and stability control through the Chevrolet StabiliTrak software. Got side impact and side curtain airbags. This back seat folds down flat, giving you loads of cargo area. The seat also will move forward and back, so if your second row occupants need less legroom and you need more storage, or vice versa, you can do it. Got a rear power point in the back as well. Lots of room back here. And like I said, those seats you can fold that, or both. Very roomy, very clean. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy, no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.